Okay, bro. So, I think I need to show you how to play live, like that video that I sent to you. Okay, about that high life stuff I played. Okay, I played in the key of D, but I want to show you in the key of F. Okay. Okay, so uh, the basic chord for high life, okay, progressions are just your one, va, so, do. Okay, just the do, va, so, do. Okay, so majorly, you understand? Majorly, high life is likely played with some seventh note, okay, which is store on our software notations. Okay, stuff like this. Okay, stuff like that. That is how high life is being played. Okay, like mostly if you have a song, a progression of a song that is 1 4 5. Okay, then mostly they likely play high life like this on this shape. Okay, so when you play, okay, so like the first chord there is do, then you add your seventh, which is a do. Okay, do, do. Then when you go into your va, when holding your va, you add this more. You add this more. Okay, this small here, this small. It's just like playing. This is the key of A sharp. This is the key of A sharp in the fourth string. So this should be a A sharp chord, do chord. A sharp or B flat. Okay, this is a key of B flat there, but it's va in the key of F. Okay, it's va in the key of F. So if you hold it like this, in musical term you are playing B flat 7, because this place now is store in the B flat. Okay, this place now is store in the B flat. Y is more in the key of F. Okay, do, re, mo, do. Okay, do, re, mo. So it's more. Okay, flatted, more in the key of F. Y is store in the key of B flat. So that B flat is the va to F. Okay, so when you play your va chord now, you add that 7 or more. You can call it more. Okay. Okay. So do. Okay. When you hold from your deep saw here. Okay. So ti re so ti. You add your va, a kind of a minor. Okay. Okay. So that is how this thing is being played. High life chord is being played. Okay. Okay. So now another thing is you can play something like when you get to this part. Okay, Now going to this saw now, you add your va, just like you play saw here. You add your va here. So you add your va here also. Okay. 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 Then when you come to this shape again. You hold this shape now. This is your key of F. Okay. So you have this shape here. This last shape here. La. Okay, so you just play. You just hold it like this. You can start from the do mi la, okay, or you can hold it like this. From this la, or you can just hold it like this. Okay, so that is another way. Then when you want to do a kind of feelings, okay, on your Highlife tune, what you need to do is so what I'm playing is just I'm picking from the do ti la so va. Remember, I told you we have another do here. Another F do, okay, on this shape.